Dear students, I am Santan, working as a physics faculty in Target English Medium School, Tadipatri. Today, from this part video, I start a new chapter from 8th standard level in our state syllabus. The chapter name is some natural phenomena so means okay, naturally which type of phenomena will be occurs, that is we discussed it in this chapter. Means mainly, so I says that three natural phenomena we are discussing. One is about the electrostatic force, second one is about lightning, third one is earthquake. So lightning is one of the natural phenomena, earthquake is also one of the natural phenomena, and electrostatic nature is also one of the natural phenomena. Okay, so what is the name of our chapter? Some natural phenomenon. Under this chapter, so one by one natural phenomena we are discussed. The first concept is charging by rubbing. So it's nothing but, okay, first before going to that, Dr. Gilbert, scientist. So before, after Christ, so means before BC, Dr. Gilbert, scientist, in his continuous experiments about the electrostatic charge or electrostatic force, he find a new thing. What is that one means? He was taken, okay, ebonite rod and amber. So he taken two materials. One material is ebonite rod, another one is the amber or cat's skin, like that one is there. Okay. So amber is nothing but it will be having negative charge according to the Greek. Sorry. So amber is okay, one type of. So now Dr. Gilbert, okay, in his experiment, he taken two materials. One is the ebonite rod, another one is the amber. Ebonite rod is rubbed with the amber. At that time, he was observing that ebonite rod and amber both are, after rubbing with each other, they bring to the a dry leaves or a bit of papers. At that time, the bit of papers will be okay attracted to the ebonite rod and amber. So, but before rubbing with each other, okay, they does not showing the same property, but after rubbing with each other, they showing that property. So that's why, so what the Gilbert scientists will be thinking that at that time means, after rubbing these two suitable materials, they acquired some charge in it. How they acquired the charge in it? So we know very clearly, when the charge is okay, acquired by the body, means when two bodies are rubbing with each other, okay, so electrons are, by the friction property, electrons are transferred from one surface of the body to another surface of the body. So among the two bodies, which body will be taken or gain the electrons, that body will be acquired the okay, negative charge, and which body will be loses the electrons or loses the electrons, that body is acquired the positive charge. So not only this one, some other materials is also there. Glass rod, silk cloth, this one also. So when ebonite rod is rubbed with amber or cat's skin, at that time he was observing that ebonite rod is acquired the negative charge, amber is acquired the positive charge. When a glass rod, when a glass rod rubbed with silk cloth, glass rod is acquired the positive charge and the silk cloth will be acquired the negative charge. This one is there. But when the ebonite rod is rubbed with the silk cloth, at that time it is acquired the positive charge, ebonite rod is acquired the negative charge. This is the way of that one. Okay. So that's why what he was observing clearly after conduct this type of activities by taking the different type of materials. When two suitable bodies are rubbed against with each other by the friction property, electrons are transferred from one body to another body. Among the two bodies, which body is taken the electrons, it will be having the negative charge, and which body will be taken losses the electrons, it acquires the positive charge. Now I will explain a brief idea to you about that one. So now we are inside the two bodies just like this one. It is a uncharged body. It is also uncharged body. It is nothing but these two bodies are not rubbed with any other suitable materials. That's why initially every body, we know that according to the chemistry concept in the science. So every body consists of number of tiny particles. Each particle has a mass. It is called atom further. Atom will be contain mainly three primary particles: protons, electrons and neutrons. Leave the neutrons aside for some time. We discuss about the protons. We consider the protons and electrons. Protons are having the positive charge, electrons are having the negative charge. But we know very clearly, so protons are present inside the nucleus. They are in stable purpose mode. They are in always stability only. Is nothing but, so protons do not move from their position, but electrons are moving around the nucleus in a particular orbit. That's why electrons are in motion and protons are in rest position. That is the meaning of that. That's why, so initially every particle, every substance of the particle, initially it is in which position? If you are considered any particle of the substances, according to electrostatic nature, initially its charge is neutral. Its charge is neutral. Why? Because of means charge is neutral means it does not having any either positive charge or negative charge. That is the meaning of neutral charge. Just we consider that. Sodium. The sodium atomic number is 11. We know very clearly. 11 means what is the meaning of that one? 11 protons and 11 electrons are present in the sodium atom. So 11 is represented the atomic number. Atomic number is nothing but the number of protons and number of electrons is called atomic number. That's why sodium atomic number is 11. Is nothing but the sodium atom is contain 11 protons in the nucleus and 11 electrons. These 11 electrons are revolving around the nucleus. But protons are having which charge? Positive charge. Electron is having the which charge? Negative charge. That's why one proton, one electron, then plus and minus, then combined together, it will becomes to a neutral. That's why one proton present in the nucleus of the sodium atom is attracted by the one electron, or one electron is attracted by the one proton. That's why one. So here proton, it is the electron, positive charge, negative charge. One first proton, first electron. Second one proton, 3. Like this. 11, 11. So that's why what will be happen? One proton, one electron. Like that one. So positive, negative charge are combined together. That's why initially it does not having any charge because of every positive particle or every proton will be combined or bonded with electron. That's why there is no excess positive charge, there is no excess, means there is no excess proton, there is no excess electron due to that one. So initially every atom of the particle electrically in neutral. That is the meaning of that. But so now uncharged body is nothing but electrically it is which one? Neutral is nothing but, so two bodies will be having the equal number of protons and equal number of electrons. That is the meaning of that. Okay, so this is the way of it. Now these two uncharged bodies we have taken that this is the body A, it is the body B. Now just you can set that. A body will be contained, for understanding of you, just we assume that 4 protons, 4 negative charges. Here is also B body will be contained 4 positives and 4 electrons, like that one. That's why initially, listen, these two are combined, these two are combined, these two are combined, these two are bonded. Combined is nothing but bonded. So one positive, one negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. These two are combined with each other, is nothing but bonded with each other. That's why what is the charge? Neutral. That's why all are having the which charge? Neutral charge. Here is also. What is the charge? Neutral. Why? Because of one positive, one negative, positive, negative. Both are bonded together. So that's why in the body A, is any excess positive is there? No. Is any excess negative is there? No. Like the same way in the B is also there is no excess positive or negative. Due to that one, what you can say is that electrically every atom of the particle or is neutral. That's why A body is uncharged, B body is also uncharged because nothing but electrically neutral. Now these two bodies we can say in the second condition. Body A, body B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, the same we are there. Now A body and B body, these two bodies are not having the same nature. These two are different nature. Different nature means, for example, it is a glass rod, it is a silk cloth, or it is a ebonite rod, it is a amber or cat's skin, like that one. So that is the way of that one. So now here we are observing that when A body and B body initially are initially electrically neutral. Now two bodies are rubbed against each other. During the rubbing, what will be happen? Friction is produced. By producing of the friction, what will be happen? Electrons are transferred the energy. See, it's nothing but not. Electrons are transferred from one body to another body along with heat energy. Listen very carefully. When two bodies are rubbed against with each other, at that time the two surfaces are attached with each other or not physically contacted. Due to the physical contact, when fastly rubbing with each other by the frictional force, so the upper surface of the electrons are removed. So anyway, when these two are rubbing with each other, just we can say that the electrons present in the A object is transferred to the B object. All electrons are transferred? No, only surface of the electrons we are considered. That's why just totally 4 electrons are there. Initially, in among the 4 electrons, 3 electrons are transferred. That's why here you are observing that by transferring of electrons to the another side. So these electrons are mixing with the positive charges present in the B body. negative, positive. That's why what will be happen? It is combined with this. It is also combined with this. It is also combined. That's why during the rubbing, what will be happen? Initially, the A body will be contain, okay, 4 positive and 4 negative charges, means 4 protons, 4 electrons. B bodies also contain 4 protons and 4 electrons. But when they are rubbed with each other, so by the friction concept, some of the electrons are transferred to the B body. Just you can see that, or from B to A, anyone. So for understanding of you here, some of the electrons are transferred from the its surface, transferred to the B. That's why what are the electrons are transferred here? These are going to that side. Okay. So that's why here you are observing that. Okay. Or leave it this concept. After transferring of this one, initially here, what is there? Okay, neutral is there. Now, so in the B body, how initially before, okay, rubbing, how many protons are there? 4 protons and 4 electrons are there. But after rubbing, 3 electrons are transferred to this side. Just you can say that. That's why 4 plus 3 electrons. Totally, how many electrons? 7 electrons will be there in which one? B body. But in the A body, how many are there? 3 electrons are losses. That's why, so 4 protons initially, okay, 4 electrons are there. Now, minus 3 electrons. Then what is that one? 1 electron. And how many protons? 4 protons. That's why, here you are observing very clearly, after rubbing the A and B bodies materials, okay, so A body will be having how many protons? 4 protons. And how many electrons? 1 electron. That's why, so totally 1, 2, 3, 4 protons. Electrons only 1. Okay. That's why 1 proton, 1 electron. These two are combined with each other. What is the remaining one? Okay. So that's why 3 protons are, totally 3 protons are excess. Isn't it? Why? Because of means there is no electron to bounded. That's why, so 1 proton is bounded with 1 electron. Here there is no electrons in the A body. That's why what will be happen? So 3 protons are leave. That is called excess protons. That's why after rubbing with each other, okay, so 1 proton and 1 electron, these two are combined. But how many excess are there? Means single, without bounded with electrons. 3 are there. That's why, so in the A body, okay, only 1 electron is there, but 4 protons are there. That's why, which are the excess, okay, number is there here? Protons. That's why proton is having which charge? Positive charge. In the B body, 4 protons, 7 electrons. 4 protons are combined with 4 electrons. Then how many excess electrons are there? 3. That's why, what is the majority, okay, charge present in the B body? Electrons. What is the majority charge present in A body? Protons. That's why A body will acquire the positive charge, B body is acquired the negative charge. Listen very carefully. When the two bodies are rubbed against with each other, so electrons are transferred from the one surface of the body to another surface. So at that time, so which body is taken the electrons? That body will acquire the negative charge because of, okay, in that body, okay, excess electrons are present. Which body is loses the electrons? It acquires the positive charge. That's why when a glass rod is rubbed with the silk cloth, the silk cloth, a glass rod is loses the electrons. That's why glass rod is, okay, considered as positive, and the silk cloth is gained the electrons. That's why it acquired the negative charge. When the ebonite rod is rubbed with fur or cat's skin, at that time ebonite rod will be, okay, taken electrons. That's why ebonite rod is negative, and okay, fur or cat's skin is acquired the, okay. So ebonite rod, fur, umber, cat's skin. Okay, next glass rod, silk cloth. These are also paid. Ebonite rod, fur or cat's skin, umber. Sorry, ebonite rod, fur, umber, cat's skin. Next one, glass rod, silk cloth, like that type of one. Not only this one, straw made up of the plastic, rubber balloon. The straw is rubbed with rubber balloon, what will be happen? They acquire the charge. Okay, so that's one. That's why charge will, okay, straw will be acquired one charge, balloon is acquired the another charge. So listen very carefully. Okay, all of you students, just today I will give an introduction about the some natural phenomena. Throughout entire this video, what we are discussing means only simple topic. Okay, so how a body will be acquired the charge during the rubbing. That's why our concept name is also, we know very clearly, charging by rubbing. So Dr. Dilbert, scientist, before 600 BC, before Christ. So in his experiments, he taken ebonite rod and fur, fake fur, and amber and cat skin. When the two suitable materials, what in his experiment he was observing that when you can take the two suitable materials, the two suitable materials are rubbed against with each other at that time. One body is acquired the positive charge, another body will be acquired the negative charge. It is nothing but finally two bodies will be acquired the different charges. Then after acquiring the different charges, really they acquire or not, how we can identify that? After rubbing with each other, they bring near to a bit of papers, or they bring near to a bit of dry leaves. At that time, the dry leaves or bit of papers is attracted by the bodies. So that's why, but he find out that the latter scientist will give a proper information about how the bodies will be acquired the charge. That's why, according to the chemistry, in the science we know very clearly, electrically every atom of the particle is neutral, or every object is neutral. But when two objects are rubbed against each other by the frictional force, electrons are transferred from one surface of the body to another surface of the body. That's why which body is loses the electrons, it will be acquire the positive charge, because of in that one electrons number is less, protons number is more. Which object is taken the electrons, that object is acquired the negative charge, because of electrons is more, protons are less. That is the way of that one. So that's why by the rubbing, what will be acquired? The bodies will be acquired the charge. If we can take the two glass rods, one silk cloth, the two glass rods are rubbed with silk cloth, the two glass rods are acquired the same charge. It is positive, that is also positive. That is the way of that one. So means in this one also you must be observing this property. You must be taken two suitable materials: ebonite rod, fur; amber, cat skin; glass rod, silk cloth, ebonite rod also. Next, straw, rubber balloon. This one also one of the combination. Like this type of things we are observing that. But for example, glass rod is there, wood is there. Wood and glass rod both are rubbed against with each other. The glass rod does not acquire any charge. Why? Because so these two are not the suitable materials for transferring of the electrons. That's why. So when you can take any two bodies, the two bodies must be a suitable materials. At that time only when they are rubbed against with each other, so they acquire the charges in their body. But the charge does not transfer or does not move. It is a static charge. It's nothing but the charge will be not moved from one body to another body by motion of the electrons. Just after getting the charge, it is present in it only. That is called static charge. Listen very carefully. This is very important. So during the rubbing of any two suitable materials, the bodies will acquire the different charge. The charge we are called electrostatic charge, because of the charge will be does not move. It is the static condition only. It is nothing but in the rest condition. Thank you.